What's up, everybody? DeAngelo here. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. And I wanted to make this video on how you guys can make an extra $1,000 plus per week using Craigslist. Now, obviously, I'm just going off my own experience. I've made over $1,000 in the last couple of days using this method here. So if you use this method and you model it, not copy it to the T, you should see some pretty decent results. Again, I'm just going off my own experience here. So first things first, be sure to join the Oryx network. That's going to maximize your profits because there's no shaving going on over here. And big shout out to my guy right here. He's actually the whole reason, I started using this software here. So this is the software. Basically, it's like a little bot or whatnot, and we've been using it to promote car loans. So we just simply go to the car section, put our ad up, and then literally just have people go to this page right here, right? So just to give you guys a quick rundown of it, is basically saying, hi, I'm Jess. We don't want to waste your time. You want to buy a car, we want to sell you a car. Do you have a few minutes to answer a few questions, right? Then they'll click yes. Then like, great, our customers have an 89% chance of getting approved. I didn't want to say like 99% or something like that because that just sounds a little unrealistic or whatnot. So I just said 89%. Then, you put in their name right there. Well, they'll put in their name. And see, as you can see, the little bot will be like, okay, great, nice to meet you. And then like, what is your credit like? Now with this, you can actually get like super like into this, and you guys will see that if you're a Team DeAngelo member in the upcoming site. It's going to be like a legit full-blown ass done for you campaign here using this software. But no matter which one they click for this particular campaign I'm showing you guys right now, it will all say, okay, great. And then it's just going to be like, what's your monthly income? All right. So then they would just say what their monthly income is. And then last question, would you be setting up auto payments? Now, if they click no for this one, if they say yes, it's going to take them, directly to the offer. Let's say they say no. Then I got it set up to where it's like, we recommend doing auto pay will greatly, help increase your chances of getting approved, blah, blah, blah. And then like, okay, great. Here's the link. So they click the link, go fill out the application. And then, I got some more stuff on the back end. Further down that goes into this as well. But you guys get the point. Very simple. This is the main stuff right here, right? Now, you're probably like, well, I don't know how to promote, a loan offer on here. It's actually very simple, guys, right? So what I recommend doing is go to like 2 different states. So let's say we go over to New York, all right? So we're going to jump over to New York. No, so let's say we're posting here in Colombia, right? Then we're going to jump over to New York. And then we're going to go and find some cars, a car posting over here. So we're going to come over here, find a car posting. Then we're going to come up here and click by dealer. And then you can just, basically pick one out here, right? Excuse me. So then you better just pick any one of these cars out here. It really doesn't matter as long as it has a good description for you to follow. So you guys can see right here. Now, obviously, you're not going to copy everything word for word or, anything along those lines. Again, you're just going to model this. So for example, let's say I'm going to but model this one right here. And the reason why I'm not showing you guys my exact ads, because people will literally just copy my exact ad, get my shit shut down, and get their own stuff shut down, even though I just said don't copy my stuff to model it. But yeah, when you model it, guys, it's so much easier. So let's say you're going to put your whatever the little company you want to make up here as right there, right? Then you just put, instead of the call or text, you can just put text, this number right here to receive an instant application. And again, that's where you would send them to this page right here. And then, for, our links below, blah, 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 for your website, again, that's just going to be sent to right here. So basically, your whole thing is just getting people to this website right here, right? And then, of course, you're going to have all the car details and stuff like that. Now, if you're a car person, you probably know which cars sell the most, which cars, are selling the best in 2020 and, all this type of stuff or whatnot. And obviously, I don't know any of that shit. I'm not a car guy in the slightest. I just go by what's pretty much right here on this page here, and I'll just go through, right? So like one of the first ones I did was for a Challenger, and then another one was for a Camaro, and then I got one up right now for a Prius. So Yeah, I'm just testing the waters out. And the good thing about this, as long as you aren't promoting a shit offer, you're not going to get shut down. Now, if you're promoting a shit offer, I mean, of course you're going to get shut down. What do you expect? You're wasting people's time. So people who are doing this here, they're actually looking to buy a car. They're going through this whole process of filling out the application and all this stuff because they want to, get your credit. Because they want to, get a loan and get a car. So if they go and spend, like, let's say 30 minutes filling out this form here, and it's just form after form after form after form after form, and it's just, garbage and more garbage and more garbage, of course they're going to get you shut down, and they're going to flag your stuff because you're wasting people's time. Don't promote time wasting type of offers, and you shouldn't have any problems. But yeah, that is pretty much it in a nutshell. So you would just take these pictures here or whatnot, and just crop them if they have a bunch of logos and stuff like that. Or you can even just go to Google, and if you want to be 100% on the safe side, and just get some non-copyrighted images. But it's Craigslist, guys. Come on. Come on. But obviously, just got to say that shit for legal reasons and all that fun stuff. Last thing I need is, dude, I saw the mess number by some random ass phone. Whatever. Like your app probably won't even be up that long for something like that to happen. But you guys get what I'm saying. You would just take these images or whatnot. Then you would come over here, create a post, and then you're going to go to for sale by dealer. And then you're going to go down to cars. And then boom, that's it. That's all you got to do. You fill this out right here. Just don't make it, again, seem like it's too over the top, right? Let's say you're promoting a 2020. It has like, you're saying it has like 1,000 miles on it for $3,000. Come on now. Like you gotta really make it seem realistic, right? You can even put it a little over like the typical dealer type stuff or whatnot, right? Put it up for like $24,000, zero down type stuff, 9-year, 7-year financing type stuff. I can't believe people finance their cars for that long. If you got to finance it that long, you legit just can't afford it. But yeah, anyway, you just do that, fill all this information out here, push confirm, and you're pretty much going to be good. For the car ones, it goes live damn near instantly, at least in my experience. Like, if you post it in the gig section, stuff like that, they, can take a couple hours. Obviously there's been times where it just went, boom, got approved right down there instantly. But a lot of the time, you got to sit there and wait, and, you got to pretty much just hoping and praying that it's going to go through and all that stuff and whatnot. But with the car stuff, boom, you're good to go. You can even promote this over on OfferUp. You can promote this on Let Go. Now, when it comes to those ones, though, again, it all depends on the offer that you're promoting. If the offer you're promoting actually gives out people's loans or actually helps them find lenders that will, basically give them money, then you're not going to have any problems. But if you're promoting garbage, all your accounts are going to get shut down. All your ads are going to get shut down. You're going to get ghosted. You're going to get flagged. I don't know what else you want me to tell you. Like, if you are promoting shit offers, that's going to happen. You're fighting the system. That's just, it is what it is. Now, I'm not saying you can't make money doing that by any means. But I'm saying, like, if you're going to promote those type of offers, just know you're gonna have to fight to promote those offers. So you're gonna have to keep getting account after account after account after account after account after account after account. Like, that's just how it goes. But the money is good. You're paying $5, and again, people are looking for these cars, all day long. So you're gonna have tons of people just coming in there. As long as you have a car that people want. And, you're basically making it sound good that, look, 89% of our people get approved, blah, blah, blah. We're not going to waste your time. If you don't get approved, we're not even going to, call you or do business with you. We're not going to waste your time, and all this stuff or whatever. Just make it sound really good. Be 100% upfront. At least that's what I've been doing, and I've been getting really good results. But, again, that's pretty much it. If you like videos that teach you how to make money, grow your business, and all that fun stuff, be sure to like, subscribe, and smash the notification bell.